planer. In order to operate the planer, the first step is locating the correct PPE. You need glasses, ear protection, and a mask. Next, you're going to want to clean your work area. The next step is adjusting the infeed table for the amount of wood you want to take off your plank. While adjusting the infeed table, keep in mind that you don't want to take off more than 1/16 of an inch off of your board because it might clog the machine. Next step is plugging it in. Then press start and push it through. When operating the machine, make sure you use a push block. Also make sure you don't stand directly in front or behind the machine because it might spit out and hit you. Now that you've cut 1/16 an inch off of your board, you might need to repeat this step multiple times until your desired width is acquired. Lastly, unplug the machine and clean up your area.